Alright guys, welcome to another sweaty episode on the Shifted Perspective YouTube channel. Today we are in the E39 M5 once again. It needs a few updates just to make it a little more livable. I actually just successfully paired my iPhone with something called GROM audio, which is just a Bluetooth adapter you can use as place of the CD player in the back of this car. So let's get right into it. So I'm going to do my very best to give you an overview of exactly what I did. I have a 2003 model year E39 M5. It has the 6 CD changer in the rear, and it's not fitted with Bluetooth from factory. None of these cars were, just because in 2003 that wasn't really a thing. So really with this car it's very easy because it's pretty much plug and play. Let's go to the back of the car. I'm going to show you exactly what I did, what I took out, and how I ran everything. Alright, so let's walk to the back of the car, which I wouldn't say tore open because it was very, very simple. All you have to do is pop this piece out, and I will show you in video, but I took the 6 CD changer out. It just has 2 little screws on this side, and then it's right here. So this is the thing that you need to remove, and then there's 2 plugs on this thing, which are right there. And all you do is connect the 2 plugs and run the GROM audio up through. Thank God I have the split folds. It makes it a little bit easier. And I'll show you. This is for the microphone to talk on the phone. And what I'm noticing is that the cable for the microphone isn't long enough to make it to the back of the car. So you can either mount this, because this has a really long cable, you can mount this, you know, somewhere over here under the dash or something, but I don't want to do that. What I'm going to do is just get a longer, a piece that makes this longer. Or you can just get another one for another like 6 feet, and I'll put everything in the rear. So for now, we're just gonna leave this. That's simple. This all comes stock from the company GROM BT3. I'll put a link in the description for sure. And I just ran this. It's not fully done, but right under the trim right there. And it's right there, as you can see, and then it goes right under. I haven't tucked the wire under fully. And then here is the other piece, and it goes right under the little velvet Alcantara. You can't see anything here. So it goes all the way up, and I chose right there to mount the microphone, and of course the camera is not really taking in the colors very well, but I put it up here. Or did I say I mounted the camera? I mounted the mic. Obviously in my head, you know, it's just, this is where the visor is, so this is going to be extremely close to my face. I couldn't really get it much closer, you know, just on this little seam. I just tucked this right here, because this has a little piece that you can just stick right there, and then you can move this, reposition. So that is perfect. The only other thing you need to do is just click mode a couple times till it says CD/aux, and then you're good to go. Alright, so let's try to pair this Bluetooth. I'm just gonna turn this. I assume that should be decent. And accept.
Now I'm prepared to create a better
mode CDC aux. Okay, that makes sense. And I'm not sure which one it is. GROM car. There we go. Why is this like no brightness? Okay. GROM car. Hopefully you guys can see that. 439077. Don't really know what I have to do there, but now it's connected. So we will go to a song that is not copyright. I think this one. Haha! It works!
Yeah. Bluetooth. But yeah, no, it's pretty simple. You just unplug the wires from the CD changer.
I wanted to check the audio, so you're my first call. I'm excited. It's clear.
It sounds great.
Okay, cool. Because sometimes it doesn't always pair or whatever, you know, like sometimes the Bluetooth is weird.
Yeah.
But yeah,
No,
sweet. Sweet, man.
Oh, man, well, how are you liking the car overall?
It's good so far, except for the seat. That stupid, what the hell is that?
The seat twist. That's also a somewhat common issue where it's something with like, it's kind of a design flaw. It happens on some of them. I haven't had to deal with it personally.
Dang.
But the wiring, like it's a weird connector underneath the seat for the electric motors.
Yeah. All right, guys, so as you can see, we've got Bluetooth audio, Bluetooth phone call. So riding in this thing is just like any other car nowadays. It has Bluetooth, everything, and it's very, very easy, very convenient. It pairs automatically, and there's no issues, at least so far. I will say, you know, of course the head unit, it's like, I don't understand why they couldn't have formatted it a little bit differently, where they can just say the full word or the full song like on one, you know, line. I know like a lot of new cars have that issue too. I don't really understand why they do that, but that's really the only gripe. I will, before I end the video, show you, like I mentioned, I'm just gonna, so this is the CD changer. I don't need it, and here's the GROM box. So both of these are gonna be taken out, but I'm just gonna let this thing sit down here for now. You know, I could tuck it in here or whatever, but this cable isn't long enough. I wanna put the whole thing in the rear. So what I'm gonna do right now, I'm not gonna show you guys, but I'm gonna go to Best Buy, get a little extension for this, and I'll put the full GROM unit in the trunk. I think that's gonna do it for the M5 today. I did the headlight resto this morning. I just did the Bluetooth now. We got audio, we got everything. So this thing's coming along. It's looking like, you know, much rejuvenated already. The paint will be taken care of as soon as I can, as soon as I have a chance to organize my thoughts and figure out how I'm gonna do it, because that's a full weekend project. So anyways, thank you again for watching. I will put all the information in the description below. More updates for this car to come. And I will see you guys next time.